Senator Butler. His Excellency the President of Kenya. We are writing the bill. Thank you for having me. Thank you so much. These are our library, and they have.
I'm head of African collections at the library.
Conservation is one of the best investments we can make between our nations, that by leveraging the private sector, we can accelerate conservation. It is a key policy tool that cannot be matched by other competitors globally. And Senator Graham and I are working with dozens of other members in the House and Senate to advance what John just mentioned, the US Foundation for International Conservation. It already has $200 million pledged to it, and it is our hope that it will be a vehicle for delivering literally billions of dollars of finance to help accelerate the leadership that you have shown, Mr. President, in conservancies and in conservation. So let me just say by way of introduction, nchi zetu zinaweza kufanya mambo makubwa pamoja.